I think my previous experience opening up restaurants really helped me learn a lot about openings and how the operations work, so I think that's where my individuality comes in. The team at Republique is amazing. Everyone helps out when we're shorthanded and everyone kind of fits in those moving parts. This is our Hawaiian Kanpachi Crudo. This Kanpachi Crudo is a staple here at Republique because of all of the trips that Chef Marge and Chef Walter have taken and is reflective of their menu they've created. My experience with BMRS has been spectacular. When I first moved to LA, I came to eat at Republique and I said after my meal here that this is the place that I have always wanted to work. So now I am living in my dream here in LA and working at one of the greatest restaurants in LA.